Well, I know the weather has felt more like summer over the past few days, but guess what? Fall is not that far away. We're less than a week now away from the official start date, which will be next Wednesday, the 23rd at 4:21 a.m. So it's less than a week away because it's just so early in the morning. But we're going to see that fall-like temperatures are on the way back in as we go later on into the week. But for right now, we do have to deal with the heat and the humidity. But as we take a look at our headlines, skies will become partly to mostly cloudy throughout the night. A few of us mostly clear right now. Expect more of those clouds later on throughout the evening. And with those clouds will be showers and storms as we head into Thursday. And a lot of it looks to come in during the afternoon and the evening hours. So tomorrow morning, not quite as wet for us, but tomorrow evening, that's when we really start to see the rain come on in. And some of those storms could be on the stronger side. So don't be surprised to see a localized severe storm or maybe even a watch or a warning pop up because of that. We'll continue to keep you updated though, and let you know of anything that does happen. But summer, it will leave as we head into our Friday, as this system will usher in a cooler air mass, and highs look to make their way back into the 60s as we go later on into the week. But nowhere near that right now. 81 degrees with winds out of the southwest at 26 miles per hour. At least we're having a decent breeze with all the warm air that's in place right now. But here are the lower 80s for us here in Marquette. Off towards the west, not that much difference. And the lower 80s as well. Ontonagon at 82. Houghton at 77 degrees. 82 in Crystal Falls. Menominee 82, and eastward, just like we saw yesterday with that wind coming off of Lake Michigan, going to be a little cooler in these areas. 74 in Munising, 72 down into Escanaba, and Ishpeming right now at 81 degrees. Winds are coming in from the south at 12 in Houghton, 17 in Iron Mountain, 16 over into Munising, and at 15 in Ironwood. So winds are up there everywhere. We're going to expect that they remain around 10 to 15 throughout the night. So a few of those locations will begin to taper off and see them weaken, but for the majority of us, not going to be weakening that much at all. And here's your current satellite and radar saying that clouds are across the area. We did have a few of those light sprinkles show up on the radar right here, but not really much rain activity for us throughout our Wednesday. We'll see more of it definitely as we head into Thursday, seeing those clouds now beginning to work their way in closer to Ontonagon and Ironwood and even to Houghton and Calumet. Now also seeing some of those clouds up into the peninsula there. But here are a look at temperatures across the state. 78 in Marquette. Look a little farther to the south, also seeing more of those 70s. So another nice warm afternoon for us. But here's a look at what we'll be expecting as we head into the evening. That humidity continues to rise from the south here in front of the system. Also seeing more of that warmth in front of it as well. Tomorrow looks to be the last warm day that we actually have, as a lot of it will start to work its way off towards the east. And your Futurecast model tonight, skies becoming mostly cloudy with rain on this way in as we go into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. And there goes a heavy pocket of rain right there. That's going to be around maybe 4 to 6 p.m. tomorrow evening. That works its way through. Scattered light showers continue for us as we head into Friday. And then another wave of very heavy rain comes in as we make our way into Saturday. Now, this doesn't look to include the thunderstorms like we'll see with tomorrow's storm, but still going to expect some of that heavy rain to come in throughout the afternoon on Saturday. Probably going to be a wet one for us, and our better outdoor day for the weekend is going to be on Sunday. But tonight we'll drop down to 62, sticky and becoming cloudy, winds out of the south between 10 to 15 miles per hour. Thursday, a wet afternoon for us with winds out of the south between 15 to 20 miles per hour. 78 for your high in Lawrence at 77 degrees in Ontonagon. Lower 80s in Crystal Falls, also seeing that down into Iron Mountain. 73 in Escanaba, and at 79 here in Marquette. Here's a look at your bus stop forecast. Still windy tomorrow morning. Temperatures in the lower 60s under mostly cloudy skies. And your 7-day forecast. 79 on Thursday and rain. Scatter showers as we head into Friday. Heavier rains come in for Saturday with highs only in the upper 50s before we'll start seeing those numbers bounce back with more sun Sunday and next Monday.